Zimbabwean electoral officials and Zanu PF representatives have got themselves entangled in disputed Namibian elections controversy due to their notoriety for being enablers of poll fraud, manipulation, and vote rigging back home. Zambia mashoko ataona kuti chabhondoka panguva ino tichiona kuti vakomana vemunyika yeZimbabwe, vakomana vana chigumba vopinzwa pamahwani kuti vosubscribe, like, on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa the news okusamudanyira chiti. In the video, Zimbabwean officials are being chased away like dogs by Namibians, saying they are tired of their electoral fraud, shenanigans, and do not want people who interfere in their elections to facilitate theft of results. Some of the Zimbabwean officials who are in Namibia include Zimbabwe Electoral Commission Chairperson Priscilla Chigumba, who has a notorious reputation of rigging elections at home, and a Zanu PF delegation which comprises War Veterans leader Douglas Mahia and the party's deputy secretary for Commissariat Webster Shamu. Chigumba is the head of the Electoral Commission's Forum of the Southern African Countries Observer Mission to Namibia. Zanu PF, which is a party of the region's former main liberation movements, currently under the threat from opposition parties, is facing serious accusations of interfering in domestic, political and electoral affairs of some neighboring countries, particularly South Africa, Mozambique, Botswana, Namibia and Zambia. Mashoko anobuda achinyorwa panapa vachizama vachiexplaina kuti aiwa kunyangwe kune Zimbabwe chaiyo siyo report yagara iritoripo radzara vakomana ava ndokwavo kwekubika results are disputed, results are sham. Mashoko atona kuti vana Chigumba votandanisiwa aiwa kunyika yeNamibia apo vaspotwa vachionekwa kuti ndo vari kukonzeresa kuti vanhu vemunyika yeNamibia idestroyiwa sezvaitiwa Mozambique neZimbabwe. Tuzive mafungiro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuna comment section medu. Subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.